Welcome back, and if this is your first time visiting, then welcome. Today we're going to go over how to create another Zap that will automate an Instagram post on a schedule. So you'll put in a prompt using ChatGPT, and you have a schedule where it will post the same time every day, and it will automatically generate a photo and an image and post it to your Instagram account with a caption at whatever time you schedule each day, all using AI and using Zapier by making a trigger and connecting accounts. So let's go into Zapier, and if you don't know, you can start a free trial, and after that it's $49 a month starting out, but for now, start a free trial to try it out and see if you like it. Come over here to the left and click Create Zap. And what a Zap is it starts off as a trigger. It's, if I do this action, then this will happen afterwards. This will happen afterwards. If A, then B, then C, then D. So what we're going to create first is the trigger. So an event that starts our Zap. What's going to start it? Well, we're going to put it on a schedule because we want it to happen at the same time. So we'll click Schedule. And then you're going to choose an event. And so I'm going to click Every Day and Continue. What time of the day? I'm going to put noon because that seems like a good time. Continue. And now test trigger. Every day at noon. Continue with record. And so here we're going to add our first step, which is going to be the AI generated image from DALL-E. So every day at a certain time triggers this step to happen. So we click and add DALL-E, which is the OpenAI image generator. Choose an event. We're going to go down to generate image. If you use, so this part is important because you have to have money uploaded to your OpenAI, your ChatGPT account. You can put $10 on there, and each time it generates an image, it will cost, a fraction of a cent up to 20 cents, depending on the quality of your image that you're having generated. So choose my account. So this is a good example of how to connect your account once you have it. So I'm going to go over to openai.com platform, and I'm going to come over to API keys, and I'm going to create a new secret key. I'm just going to call this Instagram, create whatever you want. Create the key, and once you create it, you cannot go back to it. So make sure you copy it, go back to your Zapier, reconnect it, or if this is the first time you're connecting it, it's going to ask you for your API key, and you paste it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Generate Images with DALL-E 2, unless you have an advanced account. So we're just going to start with DALL-E 2, continue. If you have a paid OpenAI account, you can use that for more advanced images. And then this is where you're going to put your prompt. So you're going to put a prompt here, and this is going to be what you want them to generate a picture of. So if I'm using a travel account for my Instagram, I'm going to type in photo, realistic image of a travel getaway destination. Let's put in the mountains. And you can get very creative with this. You can put palm trees in the front, dogs in the back. You can go as far as to saying what ethnicity you want people in the image to be. You can get very detailed, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to keep it kind of simple. Photorealistic will give you the most realistic type of image. So variations, we're just going to put one. Size, we're going to put 24 by 24 and continue. And now we're going to test this step. And now you can see it gave us a URL. So we're going to come over here, copy, highlight the entire URL, copy it. And now we're going to go post it, the link to see our image. Voila. So this is the image it generated. So now we're going to go back to Zapier. So now that we have the image for the post, we need a caption. So now we go to our next action, and we're going to add step, and we're going to put ChatGPT. And what we're going to do here is click on ChatGPT, and we're going to put conversation, continue, choose your account, continue. So here, under the memory key, we're going to type in IG cap, because what that's going to do is, I know it's an Instagram caption, it's going to keep it the same without a lot of variances with quotation marks here, and it seems more natural. And so for the user message, we're going to tell it to generate a caption. And then we're going to give it some context. Say we are a travel blogging, what's this? We're going to say, I am a travel blogging content creator. I post about cool destinations to travel to, share my personal experiences, give recommendations, share how to travel on a budget, and I share images of popular travel destinations in the mountains and on the islands. So that gives it a little content to understand what your page is about, so when it generates a caption, it can go with what it knows, so it can be more natural and match your account. So now I'm going to add in some parameters so that it can include this inside of the caption. So I'm going to say include 5 niche hashtags. Now we have, it's going to generate a caption. It has parameters, the context, and so now we're going to slow down and scroll down. I'm going to change this to you are a helpful travel, travel content creator assistant. We're going to go down and we're going to click continue, and then we're going to test this step. So here's our results. I don't really like the contents it came out with. So I'm going to go back up here. Let's make it for a company. I'm going to say business share. I don't want to share personal experiences. You can give recommendations. I will share my own personal experiences. And change the context a little bit so that it wouldn't be posting like it's sharing my experiences, because obviously it doesn't know my experiences. Maybe one day. Let's see what it has now that I edit. Embark on a journey with us as we explore, discuss mountains, highways, soak up the sun, discover perfect destinations. Sure, that's cool. So now I'm going to go add some parameters to take out that quotation mark. So we're going to go in and use a formatter block. We're going to go in and click text. And essentially what we want to do is take out the quotation mark. So we're going to type in here, replace. And so what we're going to do is go in and find the assistant's response message, which in here is labeled reply. And we're going to search for any quotation marks, find, replace with blank space, continue, and test this step. And hopefully it gets rid of, there we go, got rid of the quotation marks. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is add our Instagram business account. So Instagram business. And we're going to go choose the event of publish a photo. Continue. And you'll select your account and then select which one you want to use it on. So I am just going to put on one of my accounts. I don't have both of them connected here. Even though I made it for my traveling account, we're going to go ahead and connect it to a different account I have. And then for photo, we're going to go down to this DALL-E, the image URL. That's our photo. Caption. For the caption, we're going to come down to our formatter response since they fixed it and put output. And then if you want to put a location, just put Sarasota, Florida. And if you want to tag another user, you can do that here. Under the caption, you can add permanent. You can add permanent captions that will be there every time. So if you want to put hashtag go with the flow, hashtag travel blog, go to ChatGPT and you could ask them, please give me 10 popular hashtags for Instagram for a travel blogging content creator to use. There, so you can literally just copy these, you can just copy these hashtags, go back to your Zapier, paste them in here. Wanderlust, explore the world. And so now what we're going to do is click continue. We're going to test this step. So now it says it was sent to my Instagram account, so let's go check it. So now we're on our Instagram, and here's the post. It generated the picture, embark on a journey with us as we explore, has all of our hashtags, and our generated image. So now all you're going to do is publish, and every single day at noon, this is going to automatically trigger the DALL-E to create an image, AI to make your caption, formatter, and then publish it on your Instagram account, just like that. So hopefully that was quick and easy for you and you're getting more comfortable with Zapier. And if you have any questions that I can help you with, or if I need to go into more detail, or you want me to make a tutorial on something specific, just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to make one for you. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button, subscribe for more, and let's learn this together. Have a good one.